What's up guys, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install Snapchat on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 PC, right? So what you want to do, just simply click on the Windows icon on your taskbar and you want to simply type in Edge or Microsoft Edge and you will find the application. Go ahead and open that. Now in the address bar, just simply type Snapchat. You don't even have to put the entire website, you can just simply type Snapchat. And you will be taken here to Bing search where you can basically download the Snapchat, right? So you want to go to the Snapchat website here, and here you'll be taken to the Snapchat website. Now once you're here guys, all you have to do, just simply click on the three dots on the top right hand side to go to the settings, and you will find apps. Now on the apps you will see that you have installed this site as an app. You want to go ahead and click on that and you will have the install option here. So go ahead and click install, and this will install Snapchat on your computer. Now you have this pop-up right here that asks you what you want to do with it. You want to pin it to the taskbar, pin it to start, create a desktop shortcut, and auto start on device login. So you can choose whichever. Now I'm going to leave it as default, so I'll go ahead and click allow. And here you can see that the Snapchat is there. And I'm going to go ahead and close Microsoft Edge here. And I've clicked start now on the computer and simple type snap. You will see that I have the Snapchat here. So I can open it from here, and it will open up the application as a desktop application. You can also pin it as well guys. So if you want to right click on the icon of the taskbar there, you can simply click pin to taskbar. So whenever you close it, you have the icon here on your taskbar. You can click it again and open it. So this is for easy access. Now let's say for some reason you no longer want to have it guys, you can easily go ahead and click the three dots here in the application here, and you want to go to app settings here. And here you'll find the uninstall button here. Just simply click uninstall, and you want to go ahead and also clear the data if you so desire. You can also do that and click remove. Now once you do that, Snapchat is gone from your desktop computer guys. So here you realize on the taskbar that the Snapchat logo is gone as well. And if I right click here on my taskbar here and simply go to install apps at the top here, and if I type in Snapchat, you realize I can't find it on my computer anymore because it is now fully uninstalled. And guys, that's all there is to it. Now guys, I really hope that you found this tutorial very helpful, and if you do, go ahead and give this video a like and share your comments below. I'd really appreciate that. And if you're seeing the channel for the first time, welcome to Drew Tutorial. I'm Anjo, and I really appreciate if you hit the subscribe button below to help grow this community, and also so that you'll never miss out when I release another helpful tutorial just like this one. Thank you very much, and see you next time.